Just to make you a little bit aware, in this video I'm actually wearing a layer of makeup. So this is a clip of me not wearing anything at all after I've washed my face, just to show you guys where we're at now since I've been using the benzoic AC, and also just to show you a clip of where we're coming from, so that you know, sort of an encouragement in a way. And also just to clear out that my face is not how it looks in the video. It actually looks like the clip that I just showed you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. So today we are doing another skincare haul. Of course guys, one thing that I would say is that what might work for me might not work for you. I'm just sharing with you my skincare journey and how things are going with me. Sharing is caring. Some people use water and sunlight and their skin just pop. Mine, at the other hand, it doesn't work like that. So yeah, it's just me trying to experiment different products until I get the real one. So I'm not a hoarder. I'm not hoarding at all. I mean, I'm just tired. I'm actually tired, guys. If this product's actually going to work, then I would be the happiest person on earth, and it would be my stopping zone. Like, this is where I'm gonna be stopping, because literally I have bought every product that you can think of on earth. So today we are actually unboxing the skin functional products. If you're a skin junkie or you've been like searching like me, like there is no way you didn't come across a product called The Ordinary. The Ordinary, guys, is the famous product, well, ingredient company that is not even in South Africa. I don't even know where it's made, but apparently it's so good. And the problem with that is that it is not easy to find in South Africa, guys. Like, you literally need to order online and you need to wait for the shipment, and when I always check, it's always, you know, sold out. So I got a dupe for it in South Africa, which is called the Skin Functional, and it is what I'm going to be unboxing today. And then after that, guys, I am going to show you what is on my Clicks plastic bag. Do not say anything here. Do not judge me. I know that Clicks has been cancelled, but you will understand why I actually went to Clicks. Just keep on watching the video so that you guys can see and understand why I actually bought from Clicks. Okay, so let's get into this video. So if you don't know, I have a skincare haul that I did that got rid of my acne, and there's a like update video where I actually use the product, and I'm showing you guys how my face is looking, how my face was looking then. And then I went on to the internet and asked people which products should I use to actually get rid of my scars, and a lot of answers came in. One of the answers was the Skin Functional. There was like a lot of them, but the two products that caught my eye was the Skin Functional and the Dermalogica. And when I was trying to order the Dermalogica kit, because the thing is expensive, so I wanted to actually buy the kit, which is like the smaller version of everything that is there. And then when I went online, everything was just sold out, and then I decided to go in for the second option, which is the Skin Functional, and I hope I made a very good decision. So my box came with, it came with the Korean details right here, and a box. Like, a box is so cute. It's portable, and this part written fragile. And the box is written Skin Functional everywhere. So when you open the box, it comes with a really nice message here. When you just opened it, it says, "Happiness has just arrived. Thank you for supporting us. Love, Skin Functional." I really love that. And then when you open, there's like what is this? Not a foil. It's a paper that is covering your products. And it has like a tag to actually close. It's closed using the circular SF product, which is really great. And then when you open inside, you get the product, guys. It is well packed. Like, talk about brands that are making me feel special. Like, I feel like my coins, like, they didn't go to waste. Like, guys, like, I really feel rich right now. If their products really work and they put time into packaging like this, then girl, The Ordinary has left the chat. And then when you open underneath the products, you get a note. This note, which is this, it says, the more you are motivated by love, the more fearless and free your action will be. It's just a quote, I think. It's like, that is so beautiful. And then another card that you get is Dia Shikununu. Okay, but I'm not Shikununu, I'm Shukununu. It's just a mistake there. With a heart. And it says skincare journey, and we are privileged you have chosen to walk your journey with Skin Functional. Thank you for supporting Skin Functional. If you have any questions along the way, please reach out to us. We are here to help. Love, the skincare functional team. And then underneath that, you get another pamphlet, which is oh, okay, it's showing you instructions on how to use the products that you bought. I bought 4 products and they split them into morning, just the product usage guideline in a way, so that you know you are dealing with ingredients here. So you just want to make sure that you know you are doing it the right way. So the fact that they actually give you this paper to actually like give you guidelines and stuff is really nice, more especially for people like us who are beginners. Like I really I'm happy, because now I would have another time to actually Google how to actually use the products and stuff. Another thing that comes with the box is the packing slip. The packing slip. Oh, it's actually like a checklist in a way. So so it's just a checklist to make sure that everything is in there. And here there's a note packed with love by Katen. Oh my god, thank you so much, Katen. Katen. Yeah, thank you so much. So here are the products, and the products are like this. I don't want to get rid of the bow at all, because I feel like this is really beautiful. So when you go to their website, there is a section that shows you like you shop by product or you shop by ingredients. So I actually went to, or you can shop by your skin problem, and I went to the acne and scars section, and then I went on and I just clicked on the products that I think would work for me, because they actually tell you, like the first product for instance was the blemish corrector 30 ml, and I was like, I am going to get that. And the blemish corrector is actually 9% BHA. So I'm not really gonna be detailed about the usage and everything of this, because I'm gonna do another video, maybe an update on how it's working for me and how everything is going. And so now I'm just gonna be unboxing for you guys so that you can see what is in my box. Oh, it looks like medicine. It looks something like this, and it has a squeezed, like the bottle, like you can easily squeeze it out. And how do I open this? So this is the 9% BHA. Oh, it's like that. So yeah, according to the box itself, it says it reduces the blemishes, and it's good for pore and spot therapy. And this product, guys, retails for 200 rands. The next product that I have with me, it is the blemish corrector. The blemish corrector, and this one is 10% niacinamide. So the product actually says, say goodbye to your pores, blackheads, blemishes, and oiliness. So this product actually retails for, so it starts from 50 to 230, so it's 50 rand for the smaller bottle. The one that I have here, which is the 30 ml, it retails for 230. I think this is the first time that I don't really complain about prices, because I'm just like, I feel like I have so much hope for these products, because I am ready, guys. Like I just wanna like have the glassiest skin ever, like glassy skin. So the next product that I have here is the Hydrating Juice right here. Actually this one I bought it because of this of its reviews on their website as well as on Twitter. People were someone was recommending it, and I was like, let me just get that. And again, it was just on my skin of concerns. Hydrating Juice, which is the 2% HA and 4% B5. So what they're saying is that they're saying say goodbye to dehydrated, creepy skin and fine lines. It retails from 50 rands to 230. The bigger bottle which I have, which is the 30 ml, retails for 230. The next product, which I think is famous, this one is not the first time I hear about it, which is the retinol, the 0.5 retinol, which is the vitamin A or vitamin A, however you say it or wherever you're coming from. But yeah, I've heard a lot of things about the retinol and how people are purging and stuff. Like, this is like one product that I'm really scared to apply, because people were actually complaining that their skin gets worse before it gets good, which is not what I want right now. Like, I just want to go straight to results. Okay, the product is saying you are going to say goodbye to sun damage and fine lines or wrinkles, dullness, poor complexion, loss of firmness and elasticity, and it's suitable for all skin types. One thing that I heard about this product is you're supposed to use it during the night. So the 0.5% retinol actually retails for 270. I think this is the most expensive one. So in total, you guys, I actually paid 930 for 4 products and free shipping, and it was delivered within, was it the following day? I ordered this product on Sunday and I got it on Monday, if not Tuesday. But it didn't take time, guys. Like, I didn't even think the product would be here. So yeah, so that is that from the Skin Functional. And let's talk about clicks. So let's talk about clicks, guys. Are we still like, is clicks still cancelled or I did a haul on the benzoic AC products that I was using and I'm currently using, but I feel like I want to like ditch it a little bit for now, because now I'm healed in a way. So I'll just use it here and then I'll see how I incorporate everything. Like, I don't think I'll use it as often since now I bought this product. And then that is the reason why I actually went to Clicks. That's why I went to Clicks. Guys, honestly, where I stay, there's no discount and my face really needs products. And I'm not gonna stop, like, I'm just not gonna like let my face break because Clicks is cancelled. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, my fellow human beings. I mean, what they did is super wrong and I am not for it, and it's so wrong, but my face needs products. So let's uncancel Clicks for this moment of the video. let's pause Nyana for now, and then we'll go back after this video, you know, because guys, honestly, like, this cam is nowhere to be found where I stay. Like, it's super far, and even if I clicked or even if I opted for delivery, it wouldn't, like, it's not feasible for me to actually do that. Like, the quickest way is to just go to Clicks and buy these products. I wish this cam was here, guys. I would support the. So then here is the bag from Clicks. I didn't buy anything. I didn't buy like a lot of things from Clicks this time. I didn't want to mix a lot of treatment, more especially with the Skin Functional treatments that I have. I actually went to Clicks to buy the cleansing. Because there's 3 for 2 now, I actually went to buy a cleanser and an SPF. So I opted to buy the smaller option, which is 124 ml, and it is the gentle cleanser, and I've heard a lot of things about it. So I wanted something too gentle to cleanse my face because I didn't want harsh treatment, and I had this thing is super gentle. It is 124.99 rand, and then I actually went and bought this one because it was 3 for 2. I got this. I just took this one because I had to take something, and this one is also their cleansing bar, so it claims to be gentle as well. So that is the reason why I bought this, because I don't want to be using the benzoic AC wash and then go in with the treatments. I just feel like I need to slowly introduce the products into my face. And I made sure this time I buy a sunscreen that is 50 plus, which is by Cetaphil, and it retails for this baby retails for 309.99, guys. Like, ooh. So it's also for sensitive skin. This one is body and face. Okay, so you can apply this on your body and your face. I think Cetaphil products, you can actually use it on your face and your body. So yes, it is very high protection gel, which is an SPF of 50 UVA sunscreen, and it looks something like that. I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna compromise on sunscreen, because if I am gonna be using things like retinol and I do not have proper sunscreen, I am just literally just gonna be working backwards. So that is why, guys, I actually went to Clicks to buy this products. It was 3 for 2. I paid for 2, so I was like, you know what, it's a little bit of a bargain, and I'm just gonna do a follow-up video and show you guys how things are going.